The new website which is launched today, which is Finovawealth, is the best so far that I have seen. And with this new site, you register and activate your account with 60 cedis. So when you register and activate your account with 60 cedis, you have access to your dashboard, and in your dashboard you will be performing tasks like watching YouTube videos, watching TikTok videos, answering simple trivia questions, performing simple math questions, and performing all these tasks. You are going to be paid. If you really want to register on this site, just check the video description or in the comment section. I have pinned my link or the link to the site there. Just click on the link and also register yourself and activate yourself with 60 cedis and have access to the performance of the tasks and also doing referrals, as well as learning and promoting your business on the site. With this website, you can refer your friend, and anytime you refer your friend, you also earn on that. So with the breakdowns on the performance of the tasks and referrals, this is how it goes. When you watch TikTok videos, you are paid 3 cedis to 5 cedis a day, and also that of the YouTube videos, you are paid 3 cedis to 5 cedis a day. And with the answering of the trivia questions, each question answered correctly will give you 150 pesos. So the questions in all are 5. So when you answer all the 5 questions correctly, you earn 750 pesos on this site a day. This site is really paying, okay? It's really paying. And at the same time, with the referrals, if you register and I use your link to register, you get 30 cedis as a commission. And if I also refer my friend, I'll get 30 cedis, and at the same time you will get 12 cedis. And also if my friend whom I referred also refers a friend, my friend will get 30 cedis, I will get 12 cedis, and at the same time you will get 8 cedis. This is the best, okay? And also when it comes to this site, you can promote your product or services. For instance, if you are selling mobile phones or gadgets, electronic gadgets, or you are offering any service, you can advertise it on the platform, and you are going to get more people to get in touch with you concerning your business. So this website, aside earning on the performance of the tax and also that of the referral, you can earn yourself when you advertise your product there. And at the same time, in this site, one thing I really like about it is that I call it earning at the same time learning, because there's free forest courses in this site, of which you can learn forest courses whilst at the same time earning. It is free. The forest course is free, so you earn and at the same time learn. One thing I always tell people is that this site, when they launch it for the first time, you can take advantage of it, because this site, latest by 3 to 4 months, it will just vanish from the system. So when you hear them early, then you join it, because the earlier you join, the earlier the better. So I've joined, you too, you can join, so as to also earn on this site. The Finovawealth solution, earn on this site. This site is going to pay. And here is the Talk Tech. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also make sure you share it to your friends to also benefit.